Kia ora.
Kia ora.
We are only 48 hours from beginning our trip to New Zealand. We'll be in the airport in 2 days. And we are pretty much ready to go, right? We've got a few more things to do. But yesterday was my last day of work and the last day of school for Beatrice and Melina. And when was your last day of work, Kristen?
Like a month ago.
Seems
like forever.
So we got a few things to do. Right now we're going to go see Great Grandpa Bob. And we're going to say some goodbyes today and do a little bit more packing.
Do all of the packing. Yes, but we want to bring you on this adventure with us through this last harrowing 48 hours of preparation before we get on the plane that seems like it will also be 48 hours. So, thanks for watching.
Last bag. We're ready to go.